Hello, what's your name? Divyanshi. Divyanshi, आप कितनी क्लास में हो? क्लास? जूनियर के जूनियर के हो गए खत्म? Okay, very nice. What's your name? Vivek. Okay, so Vivek, in which class you are? KG. Same. KG. In which school? Happy Child. Great. So what's your name? In which class you are in? Oh my God. two से ऊपर कोई है? In which class?
इधर नहीं इधर ये टेबल और आ रहा है।
Same class. Same school. Which school? Royal Global School. Wow, you guys are best friends? No. Enemies? Enemies? No. Normal friends? Normal friends. आज से best